Good morning, guys! Welcome to my first vlog. Today, you're going to join me for a day in my life here in the mountain. I just wake up, guys. We need to wake up early, guys, because we still have a lot to do. I quickly made my bed early, guys, because I'm afraid I won't be able to do it later and Mama will get mad. She has scolded me several times already because I did not make my bed. I don't know why Mama gets so mad about it. I quickly opened the windows because it was so dark. When I opened the windows, I was surprised because it was only 6 a.m. but it was already hot. And of course, I always thank God first for giving me another day. I got my rice cooker to cook rice. Just 1 cup of rice because I'm the one who's going to eat. After I finish cooking, I'm going to take a bath. I just use this translation to make it fast. In 1, 2, 3, let's go! And there, guys, I'm done taking a bath. I also took some pictures here, guys, to pass the time. Back to work again, guys. I also cleaned our dining area and living room because our dog and cat always lie down in there. So when they leave, I immediately clean it. After I clean, I wash the dishes. It's so dark here in our kitchen because there's no window and it's also covered. After I finish washing, I'm in. Because I was already feeling hungry. After I ate, I sweep our yard because there were so many fallen leaves from the trees. The wind is strong here in the mountains and our house is surrounded by trees. Especially when you have a lot of pets like dog. Cat. My dog and cat are best friends forever. Also, here in the mountains, we have a fish. Especially chicken. Here with us, there are a lot of flowers. I really like flowers because they are what make our house beautiful. And here's where my vlog ends, guys.